Here's everything you need to know to be an expert in education economics. And explain the main economic theories in order of difficulty. The first theory is not even an economic one, but it is the concept of using randomized controlled trials, or RCTs, or experiments, to link causes and effects. First step to running one of these is to randomize. So you make two groups of a bunch of random people or students, then you control for everything. So you want to control for the size, shape, age, gender, everything. Between the two groups, the only difference should be whether you're in the trial group, treatment, or the control group. Then you can test different variables or outcomes. Though it is important to note that correlation does not equal causation. But by randomizing groups of people and accounting for all the variables except the one you want to test, is how you eliminate any other explanations. Thinking about the whole education system as an economy of markets and suppliers and consumers, suppliers being the schools with their teachers and consumers being the students with their parents. System benefits from economies of scale. This theory explains situations where the average cost of doing business or supplying education decreases as the number of customers or students increases. You need to pay to build a classroom. You have to hire a teacher. It's cheaper on average if the teacher teaches 20 students as opposed to 2 students. So it's important to note that economies of scale does not mean improving quality, just decreasing average cost. Now, the third economic principle of education is externalities, or the extra impact a market has per quantity. So each additional unit or year of school per student will have extra positive impacts on other people in addition to the positive impact of learning stuff. An additional year of school makes a student more skilled, which is a private benefit, and it raises your individual wages. But it also makes more informed voters, which is an external benefit, benefits your community, the country. In the market of education, average consumers, students with their parents, would only stay in school long enough to get a private benefit, the increased wage, which is how you reach the equilibrium. But staying in school for longer is better for everyone because you learn more stuff, even if it's not necessarily about your field. So governments create policies to incentivize consumers to stay in for longer. That's how you reach the optimal. So college scholarships or lengthy graduation requirements is how you increase the quantity. These theories are only some of what can be applied to the education system. Maybe if this video wins an award or something, I'll talk about some more.